How to add bank account on Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add bank account on Binance. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download your Binance application and open the application. So once you open the application, you'll be redirected to the home page. So over here you're going to click on the Binance logo at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on this gear icon over here and you'll be redirected to your settings. Now you can scroll all the way down till you find the option of payment methods. So just click on that and you'll be redirected to the payment settings. So you're going to click on P2P payment methods, and here you're going to click on add a new payment method. And after that you can click on bank transfer. Now over here you're going to type down your bank card or account card number, your bank name, your account opening branch, and also your IBAN. So please ensure the payment details added are correct and the name matches your KYC info on Binance, that is the information you used while verifying your Binance account. And using a third-party account might result in order of cancellation or account suspension. So please ensure you add a valid bank account or card number for prompt payment. Make sure the details added is from your selected bank and not from other banks. So please make sure you add your bank account number for instant payments and do not include details of other banks or payments methods. You must add the payment details of the selected bank, and after that you can just click on confirm. So that was basically how you can add a bank account on Binance. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.